Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to video number 11 of You Know Your Crystals. If you guessed, this one is the Lapis Lazuli. It's an opaque blue stone with gold or white strips that run through it. This one here has the white. And it is used for enhancing communication. So if you need to have better communication, this would be perfect for you. It increases truth and integrity, and it allows you to speak your own truth. So if there's an area where you know you need to speak your own truth, this little gemstone should help you with that. It also helps you to connect to the spiritual and higher wisdom. And the chakras are the throat and the third eye chakras. You can place on or near the chakras, wear as jewelry. Be perfect with a necklace, or if you wear a headband with the stones in it, gemstones. See if you can find one with the lapis in it. You can carry it in your pocket. Keep in a room where you have a lot of communication, and you need to have clear communication, so it'll help with that. And keep it in your meditation area as well. And you can hold it in either hand. And this little beauty can be found in Chile, Egypt, Italy, Middle East, and the U.S. So, hopefully these short videos help you out. And if there's any crystal or stone that you would like more information on, or for me to go over, let me know and I'll see what I can do for you. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. I wonder which one I will be going over next.